The following video will show you the procedure for synchronizing your Proflame 1 and Proflame 2 remote control sender and receiver. First, locate the sender, remove the battery cover, and install the 3 new AAA batteries, shown as plus and minus signs, on the sender's battery compartment and the batteries, and then reinstall the battery cover. You may have a wall-mounted remote instead of a handheld remote system. Remove it by sliding the remote upwards off of its mounting bracket. Remove the battery cover, then install the 3 new AAA batteries. Take care to ensure that the alignment of positive and negative symbols on the batteries matches those in the battery compartment. You can then reinstall the battery cover. Now let's locate the receiver. The receiver is usually located under the fireplace behind the trims, but may be installed in place of your wall switch or in some other location. You may need to consult your fireplace instruction guide for the location of the receiver and how to access. When handling the receiver, be careful not to disconnect the wires at the back while replacing the batteries. Next, remove the battery cover by depressing the 2 tabs and ensure that the 4 new AA batteries are installed correctly. Once the new batteries are installed and the cover is back in place, we can begin the synchronization process. Locate the program button marked PRG on the face of the receiver. Using a small object like a pen or paper clip, hold the button in and listen for the audible beep. After the audible beep, you can press any button on the remote sender. You should then hear 2 short beeps to confirm that the receiver and sender are now synchronized. Now your SIT Proflame 1 sender and receiver are synchronized. If you're dealing with the Proflame 2 system, instead of a receiver, you'll find a control module in the control compartment below the fireplace or in some other location. You may need to go to the instruction guide for your fireplace to find out where and how to access. Locate the red PRG button on the control module. Using your finger or a small object like a pen, push the button in and listen for an audible beep. After the audible beep, you can press any button on the remote sender. You should then hear 2 short beeps to confirm that the remote sender and control module are now synchronized. If you have the wall-mounted remote model, you can now slide the remote onto the wall mount, or use it as a handheld device. Now your Sit Proflame remote system is synchronized.